This is the County Road 00 East grade crossing, located on the BNSF Mendota Sub, east of Kewanee, Illinois. Here we have two new gated signals, each with LED lights and one E-bell. This is over you looking north. Get a look here at the southern signal. Lights here, we got 12 by 24 inch Safetran frames with Dialight ball LEDs inside of them. Got a single-sided Siemens base on an old foundation. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 079725Y. Got a Siemens gate mechanism with the imprinted logo with an NEG two-way gate saver. Side view lights with a Safetran junction box. Back view lights. The gate has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Here's a back view of the southern signal. Here's another view now looking south. Get a look here at the northern signal. Main lights, same thing. We got 12 by 24 inch Safetran frames with Dialight ball LEDs inside of them. And then the side lights are actually old 12 by 20 inch Federal Signal frames with Dialight ball LEDs. I'll get to that in a minute. Here's dot tag again. Another single-sided Siemens base on an old foundation. Back view of the side lights, you can see the Federal Signal frames. Side view of the main lights, the Safetran junction box. Gate mechanism, we got a Siemens imprinted with the NEG two-way gate saver. Back view of the main lights. And the gate also has a newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. The bell up top is a GS Type 2 E-bell. And here's a back view of the northern signal. So like I said, these signals were installed very recently. They were installed in March of 2022, replacing a pair of older WCH signals. This was one of 3 crossings between Neponset and Kewanee that got new signals during that time. Surprisingly, with all of these installs, they did not replace the relay bungalows here. They kept the same bungalows and the same foundations. They only replaced the signals on the existing foundations. And this signal is entirely made of new products. Meanwhile, on this signal here, they reused the side lights off the old northern signal and the bell off the northern signal too. And this is the same situation with the other 2 crossings that are east of here that also got new signals last year. Not sure entirely why BNSF did installs like this. However, the other 2 crossings, those have new bungalows for them. One is already at the crossing and the other one's sitting in town in Neponset, waiting to go to that crossing. For some reason, this one has not had any work done to it recently, so it looks like this one's going to be keeping the old BN era bungalow for a while the other 2 are going to be getting new ones. There's a chance they might replace the signals at those 2, because, I mean, BNSF has done similar things before, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Could be a similar situation to the replacements of the last DM signals on the Geneva sub, where they put all new signals at those 3 crossings up there and then replace the signals just a few years later. Who knows? We'll see. But either way, it looks like this crossing's going to be the same for a while. So enjoy it while it looks like this, I guess. This has been the County Road 00 East grade crossing.